Welcome back to a new shorts video, guys. Here I'm gonna show y'all how loud I can scream at max volume, but I warn you, it's very loud. That's why I even have noise cancelers myself, because it hurts my own ears, dude. I'm inside a car, which makes the sound bounce around much easier, amplifying, like keeping it the same volume, kinda. So, please turn down your volume, as I am gonna scream very loud. Okay, three. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Pretty loud, right? That was very loud. That's how loud I can scream. How loud can you scream? Share in the comments below. Subscribe and like.